Hello, human beings. Hello, human beings. What to say today? Jack shit. Besides whatever the hell I see after a cog, tree, grass. Yeah, but I thought I'd say what's up. I thought I'd say hi for like 3 minutes, and then I gotta call. I gotta call my relatives and say hi, and yeah, not have much to talk about anyway. I just tell them, yeah, I'm here, completing this, doing this. I actually have a urine test. I actually have a urinalysis. They test me like 4 times a week here, testing my urine. Starting to think somebody's drinking it. This fucker got diabetes. He has sweet pea. Anyway, let me stop talking about diabetes. There's a very funny comedian. I think that's what he died of, the diabetes. Whoa, that plane is flying fast. All the way up in the clouds. It's flying fast. Can't see it because there's a gray sky, but it's right there. Anywho. Yeah. Hello, human beings. Look at what you've created, an airplane. That's pretty amazing, you know? But that's nothing compared to what's could be, apparently. Because the proof is out there. That's all I gotta say. The proof of what we could be is out there. Technology wise, there's like supposedly there's some people that have witnessed some lights and some spacecraft that moved at incredible amounts of physics, so that has to be us. And if not us, something that we can